Hey, and welcome to the Passive Income Hunt. Today's video is the fourth monthly update of this channel. Today we will go through the status of April 2022. How did we perform? What have we done this month to improve the future of the channel? How much have we earned? And how much have we spent on the channel this month? And what will we do next month to improve the channel? We hope you will enjoy it. Status of April 2022. How did we perform? How many new views have we gotten on YouTube? We have gotten 274 impressions in April, which is almost the same as last month if we don't take the big spike of 250 into account. It is a bit sad to see it go sideways, but it just means that we have to do something differently. Other than that, we have gotten 25 views on YouTube in our fourth month, which is almost the same as last month. Compared to last month we had 14 unique viewers, this month we had 16, so it is almost the same. Our impressions click-through rate increased from 1.8% to 5.1%, which is a lot higher compared to last month, which is a lot better. We will still want it higher than this, but if we can keep it around 5% for now, then it will definitely be the impressions which we will have to increase next. How many new subscribers have we gotten? We have gotten 0 new subscribers in this month, which means that we will have a total of 4 subscribers. This isn't a lot, but as long as it keeps growing, we will hope it will move faster in the future. How much have we earned on YouTube? To be able to earn money on YouTube, you will have to get into YouTube's partner program, which requires that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. As you can see here, we still need 996 subscribers more and 3,996 watch hours more, as we have only gotten 4. Here in April, it started moving a bit slower again with the watch hours as our average view duration decreased compared to last month, while the number of views were around the same. Hopefully it will start increasing again next month and grow faster. In the future, it would be nice if it was more like an exponential curve and not a linear or flat curve. How many new views on our blog? In April, we got 11 page views on our blog. This is a lot lower than last month, around 50%. But if you think about it, we have only published 1 blog post this month compared to 5 each of the other months. So it went surprisingly well. How much have we earned on our blog? For now, we haven't signed up for ads on our blog, so we haven't earned anything. We also think that you should have a minimum of 500 page views per month before the ad providers really take you into consideration when signing up. How much have we earned on anything else? We have started 2 other channels for shorts video testing. One where we create our own shorts and publish them, and one where we edit others' free videos and publish them. We just started it at the end of the month, so not that many details yet, but if it shows to be successful, we will probably try to monetize the 2 channels together with starting to publish short videos on this channel as well to gain additional traffic. What have we done this month to improve the future of the channel? How many new videos have we made? In April, we published 6 new videos and have uploaded a total of 21 videos to the channel. How many new blog posts have we published? We will try to make a blog post to each video to potentially generate more traffic. But the focus on it this month dropped a bit, which gives a total of 1 new blog post published within the month, up to a total of 16 blog posts for our website. What else have we done to improve the channel? We have looked more into titling and thumbnails and started to use our social media accounts on our other platforms to hopefully generate more traffic in the future to the YouTube channel. After finishing the first 15 videos, we changed the format a bit and started focusing more on storytelling and trying to make videos without an intro to give you guys value right away. We also started 2 new channels to test how the short video format works and see if it can be applied to this channel. The first channel is one where we make short videos ourselves, and the other one is where we take free short videos and edit them a bit before publishing them. We just started it at the end of the month, so we will get more into it next month with future updates. Other than that, we are still early on our journey and just trying to learn. where we will keep trying to focus on streamlining videos to be able to know how to produce them without wasting too much time, as this will help our daily life a lot and help us to potentially start even more passive income streams that we can share on this channel. It is also important for us to keep figuring out what each of us like working with regarding the channel, as we both need to use it for our advantage, but also because we think it is important that it is fun to do. If it just feels like a duty, then you have just locked yourself into a second job. We don't want that, we want it to be fun and fill us with energy. How much have we earned and how much have we spent on the channel this month? We thought about adding an additional platform to expenses to be able to save more time, as we see our time as the most valuable resource. But we haven't done it yet, so it won't be on the overview before we start paying for it. For this month it is the same as last month, but in case you haven't seen last month, then we will go through it here again. If we start by looking at all our revenue sources, it is potentially the YouTube channel and the blog so far. Both of them have given $0 in revenue this month, which gives a total revenue for this month of $0. For our expenses this month there is a bit more to it. First expense is VideoScribe, which is the tool you see our videos getting drawn in. For VideoScribe we have purchased an annual plan which averages out to $17.96 per month. This price includes 25% VAT, which we have to pay as we live in Denmark. Second expense is blog hosting, which is the domain name and website hosting of where we publish our blog posts. For this expense we have probably added a bit too many optional add-ons, which have made it a bit more expensive each month. We have purchased an annual plan which averages out to $12.40 per month. This price also includes 25% VAT. The third expense is email, which is where we have paid for an email address with our domain name. We thought it would be nice to have an email with our domain name, as we thought it looked better. Looking back, it would probably be better to start out with a simple Gmail. We have purchased an annual plan which averages out to $3.75 per month. This price also includes 25% VAT. After having taken all the revenues and expenses into account, it leaves us with a profit of minus $34.11, which shows that we are currently burning a bit of money to hopefully improve the channel. What will we do next month to improve the channel? Every month we will keep making videos and blog posts that are better than the previous ones. We want to keep improving our content. We currently don't have any milestones we want to achieve yet. As long as we keep getting better, we are happy and we will believe that the results will follow. We will see how the short video format performs on the other channels, and if it performs good, then we will start to apply it for this channel as well, to generate as much traffic as possible here in the beginning to kickstart our hunt. We will keep focusing a bit on our social media profiles and how we can use them to direct more traffic over to this YouTube channel. Other than that, we will try to figure out how we can increase the amount of impressions we get on the channel to potentially generate more views and subscribers over time. If you are still here, we would like to thank you very much for listening through our entire video. We hope you enjoyed it. Are you thinking about starting your own passive income hunt? Please share it below and we will encourage you to pursue it. If you like this video, please hit the like button below to show us that you would like more content like this. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. We will post new videos every week. Thank you for today and see you next week.